Monday morning fabrics, and we have summer blues. Summer blues because they're so beautiful. 100% viscose knits from Italy. Oh, and if I told you the designer and I'm not allowed to, you would just be so excited. So you see why I'm so excited. Anyway, beautiful viscose, stretch in both directions. Just such beautiful quality. And then we've paired it with all these blues. Aren't they beautiful? 100% cotton, stretch in both directions, 100% cotton knit. Then we have this beautiful, also floral, little pinks, little blues, right on trend for what's going on right now. We have stretch in both directions. Greater stretch in this way than this way, but still considered two-way stretch. Pairs well. Look at this beautiful. This is kind of like a sky blue. Well, no, this is like a ocean blue. This is a deeper blue. It's so beautiful. It's got a little bit more smoke tone to it. 100% cotton, also stretch in both directions. So you can kind of see the differences where this really goes with both. Oh, just so pretty. And then we have, this is a cotton poly. It's almost like a sweater knit. But you can see how that blue just brings out the color. It has stretch in both directions. Lovely, lovely for a little cardigan. Just so pretty. And then this is jumping ahead a little bit. It's for fall, but I got it, and I got it at such a good price. All of these today only are going to be $11.99, and I got it at such a good price, and it's a cotton silk. It has beautiful drape to it, and all the pants for fall are herringbone or houndstooth. It's amazing how popular that is. This is such a quality fabric. It's ridiculous for $11.99. But anyway, just today only, $11.99. Lovely, lovely. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.